Hi buds! In this video, sasakay tayo ng Singapore Airline Business Class. But this time around, we're bound to Manila to Singapore. I-check natin yung food nila, amenities, and syempre yung check-in process, no? And of course, i-check din natin yung immigration process, especially sa NAIA. Siguro hindi ko mapapakita yun, pero i-review na lang natin. So, I'll see you there in the airport. Okay. 917. Kailangan ba ito?
917, sir. We're using gate 112. Boarding time around 1:35.
Okay.
Sir, for the lounge, our lounge will open around 10 po. We're just
okay.
conducting early check-in.
Okay, okay. Then, may special lane ba pag sa immigration?
Yes po, for business class, sir, in front of foreign exchange. Yung maliit na entrance fee.
Okay.
For business class.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
If you're a business class passenger, dito ka papasok. So, malapit siya dito. Malapit siya dito. Foreign exchange, na color blue. And then, eto. Yan, dito ka papasok. Alright. So we have some pods here. So dito tayo sa mga dulu-duluhan. And meron din pala doon. This is Silver Chris Lounge and may mga tables dito. Then there's also pods there. Okay. Hello. Morning. Bene. So, yeah. So, check nyo na lang. This laksa, I think. So, kumuha tayo na ito noodles. Yeah. And then this one is grilled chicken. And this one is pork belly. And this is penne. So, let's try, no? So, maganda yung upuan niya. Comfy. Nandito ako sa pad kasi I need the mesa. Conyo. Kailangan ko ng mesa kasi magla-laptop tayo later. And ang kinakatakot ko lang kasi yun gamit, no? Baka kasi pag hindi ka nakatingin, baka biglang mawala. Ayun. So, try muna natin yung food. So, let's try the grilled chicken first. Okay. Dahil pala kumuha ako ng knife. Hindi ako kumuha ng knife. So, medyo matigas siya. Hindi ko mahiwa. By the way, hindi nyo pala nakikita. So, grilled chicken. Okay. Grilled chicken. Okay, let's try. Medyo dry. Medyo dry. And lasang grilled chicken. Medyo hindi malasa, pero pwede na. Para siyang barbecue. Binarbecue yung chicken, gano'n. Tapos medyo dry na siya, gano'n. Pero okay lang. Then, try muna natin yung roast belly. Try natin yung roast belly. So, actually, papakita ko So, yan yung roast belly. So, makita nyo, parang walang taba, no? Wala yung fats na gustong-gusto natin. Yun yung juicy, yun yung masarap. Wala siya. Pero mararamdaman mo pa rin siya when you bite it. Masarap siya. Lasang lechon. Sakto lang yung timpla. Hindi sobrang tapang. Hindi rin sobrang hina nung flavor niya, no? Malambot. Dapat lang kasi pork belly to eh. Try natin yung penne. Masarap yung penne niya. Hindi ko alam paano i-explain pero masarap. Hindi siya... Masarap yung penne. Basta masarap. And then try natin yung noodles. Masarap din yung noodles niya. Parang Hokkien Mee pag pumunta ka sa Singapore and pumunta ka ng hawker, no? Medyo ganun yung lasa niya. Yan, wala pala akong drinks. Nakalimutan ako. So, kukuha lang ako. So, kain lang ako. Hello. So, I'm back. Kumuha ako ng orange juice. By the way, may mga spirits doon, no? Iba-iba. Hindi ko masabi yung name dahil hindi ako umiinom. Pero if you're a fan of wine, spirits, beer, ganun, I think good siya para sa inyo. Lasang tang mangga. Orange juice pala. Lasang tang orange juice. Manapis. Sobrang tamis. Hindi naman sobra. Pero medyo may... masarap naman siya. Okay naman siya. And by the way, yung ports niya dito. Ready siya for... If titigan niyo yung port. I think UK yung plug niya. UK tawag sa plug na ganito eh. United Kingdom. So which is good for... Especially if you're a Singaporean, yung mga gadgets mo, binili mo Singapore. Yun. By the way guys, this business class seat na na-avail ko, no, hindi ako gumamit ng any cash. So ang ginawa ko is, gumamit ako ng tinatawag nating miles. So if hindi nyo pa alam ano ang miles, usually ang mga airline, meron silang mga reward programs. And ang reward mo, if you keep on flying with them, is you get a free miles, no? So certain miles, pwede kang mag-avail ng free flight. Paano ba ako makakaipon ng miles? Maraming ways to earn miles, and one of the most common ways is that pag may mga credit card kayo and marami na yung credit card points nyo, you can convert these credit card points into miles. Okay, pupunta na tayo sa gate ngayon. And nakapagpahinga tayo, nag-work tayo saglit. And we're going to the gate na, no?
Number starting to group 4 to group 6.
Alright, so boarding na tayo. Boarding group number 2 tayo. So, pasok na ako. Legroom. So, meron din siyang lights dito. Lights, no? Mga lights. And then, of course, meron din siyang mga headphones. Then, may mga menu siya. So, yung mga menu niya, may mga alcoholic beverage siya. And hindi masyadong kita yung window, no? Kahit nasa window seat kasi ako. Left side window seat. Ayan.
Thank you very much. Your rice is over here. Welcome aboard.
Entertainment. And may mga pang-saksakan siya dito, which is nice. Ay. And of course, may blanket. Then, may controller siya ng entertainment system mo. And yun lang. Okay siya. Same siya sa last time, sa previous natin na flight. Hello.
Hi,
Hello.
my name is Jan. You already pre-ordered the beef matado? Yes. Thank you. Welcome you on the flight. Thank you.
Okay. So, yun, seatbelt. Yun belt niya is kakaiba. Parang sa kotse. Medyo nakakairita. It's not comfortable. Yan. So, nandiyan yung mga phone mo, mga control ng console mo. Ganun. So, ito yung window. Hello. What do you have? Can I have
A Bellini's champagne orange juice.
Can I have champagne? Thank you.
I'll be right back.
Champagne. Right. Nice. Champagne. So, pwede ka manood. Snow White. Let's watch later. Snow White. Pwede ka na mag-order. Pwede ka mag-shop, pre-order. Dito pala yun, pang-adjust ng bed and the lights, no? Yun, so pwede ka na magpa-DFV. So, binigyan nila ako ng hot towel. As in hot. Nag-inaya ako dito. Masarap naman. Pero hindi ko trip. So, let's wait. So, binigyan nila tayo ng sleepers. Pag gusto mo maglakad-lakad dito sa toilet, gano'n. So, which is nice. Taking off pa ako. Medyo inaantok ako dahil sa champagne. Kapag di ako nag-champagne. I plan to work pa naman. And
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
So, first meal is shrimp. Yan. Alright, so let's eat. So, I asked for some orange juice kasi di ako nag-uway. Makakatulog ako pa nag-uway na ako. So, parang ito yung inahin natin kanina. Na joke lang. So, may dagko siyang shrimp. So, yeah. Cold siya. Appetizer. So, lagyan natin na butter. Tigas ng butter niya. Sarap.
Yeah. Red orange juice. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wala naman. Parang wala. Okay, this is the beef mechado. Mechado. Yeah. So, it looks good. Ooh. So, medyo malambot siya. Yeah. Tender siya. Let's try, no? And that's it. Ang beef mechado. Napakalambot.
You need something?
Thank you.
Here.
Thank you.
You need something?
Ang lambot ng beef. Medyo busog na ako, guys. Kanina pa tayo kumakain, no?
Would you like to have the dessert? Got the creme brulee cake and a fruit slice as well?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Orange
you.
juice taste as well?
Yes,
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And we have the fruit slice
Oh, is that?
and creme brulee. So, ang sarap ng creme brulee niya. So, sa mga father dyan, and pwede yung i-gift to, itong experience to sa wife nyo. Very, very pampered yung wife nyo, if ever. Or the other way around, yung mga wife, pwede nyo ring i-gift to sa husband nyo. And this is me, after eating lunch, magpapahinga at matutulog. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. And mag-subscribe na rin kayo. And if may tanong kayo, mag-comment na kayo sa baba. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye!